If you have ever gotten stuff stuck behind an Alex cabinet, you know how frustrating it can be because your doors might not close all the way. So what I want to share with you guys is a really quick tip on how to get all the paper and all the junk unstuck by taking out this drawer. If you didn't build it yourself, you're probably wondering how the heck do you take out this drawer? If you don't want to watch this entire video, here's a short of it. So you have 2 screws, you just unscrew them, take it out, and then put it back in. That's all there is to it. But I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so that you guys can see how much crap got stuck behind there, as well as how easy it is to pull out. And I'm definitely not very handy with tools, and I was able to do it myself. So it'll be quick and easy. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So the one that I'm showing you is the Alex cabinet on casters, and I'll show you guys how I actually upgraded this Alex cabinet on the other side of my space. But anyway, there are 2 screws on the left and right of this drawer, and all you need to do is remove the screw from the railing that's there. You're not taking out the railing, you're just literally taking out the cabinet drawer. And again, it's held by 2 screws that are on the left and right near the front. You'll just need to remove that and place it somewhere carefully so that when you clear out what's in the back, you can find your screws again. The best things about the Alex cabinet drawers is that you can store so much stuff, but if you like fill it up, it'll tend to kind of get stuck in the back and then drop to the most bottom drawer, and all this stuff will get stuck and then you can't close the drawer anymore. And so this is how much stuff that we had in that drawer, and so we were able to remove it with removing those 2 screws, and now you just have to put it back in. So as you can see here, the railings are still there. You can see that at this angle. And so I went ahead and removed all the trash and all the stuff that I didn't want anymore. And then what I had to do was kind of align the indentation that is on the side of the drawer to what was there basically on the railing. And there is a little hole that you'll probably want to make sure that you align correctly, because that hole will align with the where the screwdriver needs to be. And that was a little tricky. You might get some help to do this, but as you can see, I was able to do it myself. But it might be easier if you had 2 people kind of aligning the drawer and the railing, so you're not like basically breaking the railing at all. But it should be pretty easy to slide in here if you had 2 people. And so then what you want to do is, before you put in the screw, actually just slide the railing in with the drawer, and then just make sure that it's aligned. As you can see, it's taken me a little bit to get there. And then once you do that, it'll be a little bit easier for you to basically align the hole with the actual screw hole. And then after that, you just need to re-secure the screws into the cabinet, into the railing. And that's pretty much how you remove the Alex cabinet. These cabinets are amazing. I do a lot of like storage of my craft stuff with it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And then also go ahead and check out my video on my craft room tour that kind of gives you an overview of what I store in my cabinets. Thanks guys for watching.